All right, number one, with the drums and the bass to help make this more fun, more interesting to work on, because the idea is you're going to work on this to be able to play it with the repeat at 240. I think 240 is a good spot because in the video I watched yesterday with this rhythm, 260 wasn't quite there. It was close, but it wasn't 100%. So hopefully working on this at the 240, getting lots of repetition in with this rhythmic pattern. Hopefully that helps take care of the issue with losing that rhythm going any faster. So when working on this, I do not recommend working the entire thing up in fives, including the repeat. That's way too much. Way too much. You could, absolutely could, just take the repeat off of Guitar Pro. So basically just get rid of this thing here at the end. You know, this thing right here. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. And then work it up in fives that way if you want to play along with the track. Let's see. Other things, use that percentage feature again. Use the percentage feature to work it up like that. So get it correct at 50%, then try 60, 70, and so on. You might even want to go 50%, 55%, 60%, 65%, and so on. Really depends on how difficult it is for you to play the whole thing as you go faster and faster. But the goal is to be able to play it 0 mistakes at 240 next week. Okay, all that being said, I'm going to play this at 120, which is that 50% goal, or 50% of the goal speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to go to 160 next. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 200 next. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our goal of 240. I keep feeling like I still got blueberry juice on my teeth. My mouth look blue. Anyway. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Number 2, our more traditional workup drill or exercise. Different rhythm. So remember, everything is going eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter notes. The eighth note tied to an eighth note is a quarter note long. Eight quarter, and so on the whole time. So, down to 60. Playing it without the repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. I think I just goofed something up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on. One more time, make sure I got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3, 1 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 and 3. You notice how I was counting it as 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That's because every 3 beats that rhythm starts again. So 1 and 3, 1 and 3. You could count it as 4 and 2. And then the 3 and 1, and so on. But sometimes counting it as a different time signature, like something like this, counting it as a 3/4 time signature makes it easier. So the 4/4 thing, I mean, technically we could have written this out in a 3/4 and it would have, well, ended up sounding the same. But well, this is basically a polymeter riff where we have the 4/4 time signature for the metronome, but a 3/4 time signature for what we're doing in terms of the rhythmic pattern, like where it repeats. All right, I hope that makes sense. If not, let me know. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. This is a finicky metronome site. I don't know why it just decides to stop working every now and then. Let's try this again. Where are we? 120? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 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 Done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.